In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient overlay to an image in Wix Studio. This quick and easy method will enhance your website's visuals, making your images more dynamic and appealing. We'll focus on using the image settings, which is the fastest way to achieve this effect. Firstly, let's start by selecting the image you want to enhance. Simply click on the image displayed on your canvas, ensuring that it is highlighted and ready for edits. Once you've selected your image, look towards the options available and click on Edit Image. This will open a new window containing various tools and elements you can use to modify your image. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a panel that showcases different editing options. Here you'll find the Overlay section. This is where the magic happens. By navigating to this part of the panel, you open the door to a range of overlay options that can transform your image with just a few clicks. As you explore the Overlay section, you'll see a variety of categories to choose from. If you're unsure which overlay suits your design best, you have the option to explore further by clicking See More under each category. This feature expands your options, allowing you to view and choose from a larger selection of gradient overlays that best match your creative vision. Selecting an overlay is an opportunity to experiment. Each choice can bring out different elements in your image, highlighting features or adding a new layer of depth and sophistication. When selecting, consider the overall theme of your website and the emotion you want to evoke, making sure that your choice enhances rather than distracts from your content. Remember that simplicity can often make more impact. While experimenting with vibrant colors and bold gradients is tempting, sometimes a subtle touch can do wonders in enhancing your image without overwhelming the viewer. Once you've settled on a gradient overlay that complements your image, apply it with a single click. Admire how the simple addition of an overlay can transform your image, integrating seamlessly into your overall website design while adding a professional touch. That's all there is to it. Adding a gradient overlay to your images in Wix Studio is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to elevate your website's aesthetic with minimal effort. As always, don't hesitate to experiment with different overlays and settings until you find the perfect fit for your image and theme. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials to continue perfecting your design skills in Wix Studio.